Want to clear your call history for privacy or to free up space? Let's learn how to delete call history on your iPhone. Hi, I'm Siok from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to delete the call history on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the phone app on your iPhone. Tap on the Recent tab at the bottom of your screen to view your call history. To delete a single call, simply swipe left on the call you want to remove. A red delete button will appear. Tap on it to delete the call from your history. If you want to delete all your call history, tap on the Edit button in the top left corner. Then tap on the Select option. Tap on the Clear option from the top right corner of your screen. Finally, tap on the Clear All Recents option and delete all your call history. And this is how you can delete the call history on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.